Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that Nerb promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! My freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with Nerb to places with sand? Frick. Try and hang with Nerb. He says they've been flying, so maybe I won't be able to keep up with him, but I'll try. Craig's hit a tree, clipped one of the trees on the side, which I've been doing the whole freaking time. Clipped one of the trees and then went into another tree and smashed all the front of his screen and everything, so he had to take it all off and dilly-dally around. That's why they took so long. Nerb is fine. Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! There we go, let's go Nerb son. Crank it. Jumping. This is great fun now. Now we're having a play. All the boys together. Oh, shivers. Sometimes they turn when you come over. Look at it, it's got a launch off it and the Nerb slowed. Luck I didn't, because there's a freaking turn. Oh, we are sand certified now. Gone are the days of freaking waddling our way through the Simpson. Now it's all about top speed. We're going to be done so quick at this freaking pace. Got it. Got the sand down pat. That's it. Keep up with Nerb. Nerb's crazy. 1190 power pace. We can see the end. I mean, it's far away because it's a mountain, but probably... Oh, it's right over there in the distance. That mountain over there. Looks really freaking far away. Looks like a couple hundred k's away. So that's where we're going to. That's where the sand ends. Mount Fink. Should only be like 50 k's or something. It looks real far away. 50 k's of sand though, but I mean, I would say that would take us forever, but we are flying through the sand. Get up on the metal. It's a little softer. Ah! Oh shit, that was freaking chopped up, that bottom bit. So I'm gonna, if Nerb is coming, I'm gonna bloody hit him. It's gonna be very awkward. But we stopped for a good probably 15 minutes just then and Nerb didn't catch up, so Nerb's must be stuck somewhere back here. The only worry is that like now I'm coming the other way. I don't want to clang into him. Might have just dropped the bike and he might be struggling to get it up. Just missed it, Jesus. Lucky you didn't turn when I turned. Frickin' hell, we just came over it just as I stopped the camera. Craig's just up there. Cool. Ooh, there we go. Maybe don't go just yet. Oh, I'm in third gear. Come on, baby. As I was just saying, I'm like, I'm gonna hit Nerb. Came over a sand dune just as Nerb was cresting it, eastbound cresting. Oh, frick. Luckily I turned and he didn't. He was coming over, so he probably couldn't turn. I just launched off to the side, dodged him. Whew. Then I had to get going halfway up a sand dune. Turn around. So Nerv just dropped it and just had to take his bags off to pick it up. That's why he was so far behind. But that's hella sketchy. Be riding back to try and get to him. Can't believe we came over the same freaking sand dune at the same freaking time. There's the mountain over there.
Hey, you want to check? You still got a fuel bladder? Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, whatever's left, you better pour in the tank.
Frick.
You can count fuel just last couple $100.
No. Fuel bladder. I just rejigged it and I must have done it bad.
Oh yeah, there's a hole. Holy shit, that's a big hole.
Yep.
Gotta go through the whole desert, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last
And the
couple
last
bits.
bloody few kilometres.
Oh, I'm gonna watch the chain.
Oh,
What'd you get? 50 mil?
yeah, not much. I've got pretty much a full tank though.
Yep.
We're no more sand really from here.
I don't think so.
I'll probably get 300 now.
Yeah, you got a full tank, so 300.
Oh, not full, but
I think we've got 300.
there.
No, we've done more than that. We've done.
Rip fuel bladder.
It was 480.
Yeah, it's when you stop and have a break. That's when you start falling off. Why didn't you do that on camera? No, I wasn't filming. Do it again. But yeah, pretty much done with those bladders. They're bloody, and I like them because they fold up. The bladders I use are MSR water bladders, 10 litre water bladders, but they do hold fuel. Mine were leaking a little bit, but previously they've held fuel really well. Done. This little 7k road to Mount Fink is like a bloody motocross track. So gents, we're out of the desert. We did it. Googs track complete. Now we're at Mount Fink, which is that mountain there. Heading into find a camp spot. We're so early though. It's only 2 o'clock. So 3 more hours of riding. All right, we made it through the Googs track and to Mount Fink. So we are camping the night here. We're here very early, like 2:30, 3 p.m. Super early. So Nerb wants to climb this mountain because he's a psychopath. Looks pretty bloody tall. Have fun with that, Nerb. First people I've seen in Googs track all day. Couple of Forbies. Feeling fit. Ready to go? Yeah. Alright gents, we're going to hike up Mount Doom. All the way up there. I want to do exercise. And also, these are my hiking boots. Bloody 7 kilo Tech 10s. Great for hiking. I hate exercise. We've got another mountain. Come this far. Keep going up.
Now that we're going a little bit, not nerd.
Yeah.
We've got to spread out a bit for falling rocks. Because now it's see-through if we're all following each other.
Yep.
And I just lodge a rock that's going to come straight down on you.
It's getting pretty gnarly now. It's pretty much Everest, mate. Pretty much Everest. Jesus Christ. We're up there now. Alright, gents. We're gonna keep going. Tech 10 hiking boots. Working out. Almost to the top. Sun is just going down. Gotta see the sunset. That's how high we're coming. Oh Jesus. To the top of the wedgetail. Wedgetail eagle. It's just chilling. Chilling in the wind. It's pretty rad. Here we are at the top. Top of Mount Fink. These psychopaths are going to go all the way back down and up that one because it looks slightly taller. Let's film them. Film the fools! Alright, I don't know if you can see Nerd, but it's going to be in the shot there somewhere. Can't really see the screen, but he's over there, getting up the other hill. Pretty quickly too. Nerb's pounding up, man. Fit as an ox. I'm all about hiking and bringing the correct equipment when you're hiking. It's important to have the right stuff. So the appropriate shoes are Alpine Star Tech 10s, and the appropriate snacks are it's Jockey Ripple. You can't beat it when you need to power yourself up the hill. A couple of lazy, sneaky Jockey Ripples gets you done, mate. Gets you to the top. Watching as the sun just goes down. You can see Neb and Craig over there on that mountain. If you can just see them. Standing over near the Cervanes marker. Just watching the sunset on their mountain. We have a mountain each. It's just about to go down. I've been time-lapsing on my phone over there. What a horizon. Dead flat for like 360 meters, man. 360 meters. 360 degrees, other than their mountain over there. Just ruining my view. Just hitting the bottom right now. Go on, sonny. Let's get down before it gets dark. A couple hundred meters of descending. In the dark. I didn't bring a torch, which would be awkward. It's getting dark. Actually looks brighter on my camera than on my phone than in real life, but got to get down to there. It's getting dark and it's getting really steep. I don't really remember coming up this bit. Like, this is like sheer rocky cliffs. Anyway, let's keep going. Getting pretty dark now. Just got to get down over to over there, I think is where we camp, so bit to go. Oh gosh. After a hard day of sand dunes, it's good to sit back around the campfire with a bit of Jack Daniel. Save this one. Need this one after a hard day of exercising with Nerb. Never again. Never coming with you again, Nerb, ever, into the desert. Until next year. See you then.